Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to a new video on this channel. In today's guide video, I'm going to walk you through on how to react to Instagram message. Similar to as on Messenger, there is an option of reacting to messages that other people send you or the message that you've sent. Firstly, head over to the chat on Instagram that you want to react on message to. Once you open up the message, all you need to do is tap and hold on the message and a reactions tab will open up. Whatever be the message, text messages, videos, photos, you can do the same. Just tap and hold and the reactions tab will open up. Just select the reaction that you want to make and the reaction will be added. Other than these reactions that you see on the top, if you tap on the plus icon right here, you can choose from a whole bunch of reactions which are available on Instagram. Just pick any reaction and the reaction will be automatically added in. If you want, you can also customize the front reactions that you see. Tap on the plus again and tap on customize. This way you'd be able to choose the reactions that you want up front. Select the reaction and tap on the tick mark on the top right. And there you go, the reaction will be changed and will be added to the front. So that's the quick process on how to react to Instagram message. Give this video a like and also subscribe to our channel if you guys found this video helpful. I'll be back soon with more informative videos similar to this. Thanks for watching.